Based on user feedback, we've upgraded the firmware for DMC-100 clamp meter. Compare UI before and after upgrade. Just short press the power button to reset the maximum and minimum values. First, go to Settings to check the current firmware version. Go to FNIRSI.com. Downloads, Manual and Firmwares. Download the latest firmware v1.4. Long press the power button to turn off, then press and hold the two left buttons and power button. Enter firmware update mode. Connect via USB to your PC and detects a drive. After copying, unplug the USB cable and press menu briefly. The device enters the firmware upgrade mode. Upgrade done.